My people, we are back on the grind. We don't finish our 9 to 5 Monday to Friday. Saturday and Sunday are for what? They are for party. It is for what? It is for party. So anyway, guys, we're here today. For now, our very, very good customers. It's let's shout to the call. They are having their harvest and they want us to cater. Like we always say, you name it, so cook it. So we're here today. We're going to be making small chops for this our customer. Small chops and grilled fish and grilled chicken. And by the way, waiting be party if you don't get small chops. Now party be that? Hell no. So we're here today. We're making our grilled chicken. We're making our barbecue grilled fish. We're setting up already to get into the mood of the day. As people will be eating their rice, jollof rice, eating their swallow. Of course, as the food they go, and so we give them small chops back to back as they hot. We are making about 1,000 small plates of small chops. We're making grilled chicken. So this is on a Sunday, and we're here from church. I came all the way straight to meet my staff here. They're already preparing, setting up ground. Some of them are doing just putting stickers to the our brand. What we used to brand after we make the small chops. This is fantail, by the way. We're using our breadcrumbs to coat the shrimps before frying. Like I say, I'm showing you guys informative, educative stuffs here on just showing you my life behind the scene, how I cater when I'm not in the office. This is just the overview of the decoration, looking quite beautifully, I must confess. Events planners, honestly speaking, you will not rest till the day is over. You want everything to just go as smooth as possible. But anyway, guys, this is a very lovely setup, white and purple. Celestials, they're really rock hard. You know, after dancing in church, they all head up to this place. They're all still in church, by the way. So I bet you after church, they will all troop into the setup. This is a lovely setup too, with their drinking glasses, our plating, and that's my people over there, my staff working their back off, setting up for this event. So of course we're trying to while away time. So we came here to set up and do our thing. You know what we know how to do best. So these are my staff. They're making it happen. I went around to see where we'll be serving our guests, just to get familiar with the terrain. You know, so I don't go and serve the wrong people. So we're preparing up here. This is my staff dicing the cucumber and the carrots. Of course, you want our sponge up to look pretty. I'm all about sight before taste. So this is our chicken that we're doing here. If you taste this chicken, guys, honestly speaking, you will bite your fingers. This is so we started frying now. Our clients have given us go ahead to start frying. I giving my customers hot as it is hot. When the small chop is hot, it makes a lot of pain, if I'm correct, guys. So we're here, shao, my people. You know what we know how to do best. When I'm here, I'm excited. I'm in my elements by seeing what's going on. I'm honestly fagged out. So that's my guy, cutting spring onions. It's a new stuff, by the way. So that's what he can do now. That's my guy, Suleiman on the grills, on the wheels of steel. The one who knows how to do best to grilling chicken. This is my fish. If you not taste them, na get. Honestly speaking, I'm not hyping myself. My recipe I use for this my chicken and fish recipe. I don't let my staff even say how I mix the recipe. I just give it to them to mix it. I do it codedly. This is my fantail that has been fried now. So after frying fantail, we'll go on to the next one. We'll be frying batch by batch because we want it to be hot. So once we serve a particular angle, we'll come back to fry the next set. This is samosa. So we'll fry this next now. So by the time I serve about 100 people, we'll come back to do a batter and continue again. At this moment, I'm already relieved because I was under pressure before. I was worried about things going well, but everything's taking shape. I was hoping that it would beat time. So happily, I am on track. I like what I'm seeing. Everybody is cooperating. Everything is flowing well. Let me show you guys what is happening behind the scene. Still no great change. It's not changing. I believe people are at it. Anyway, so we did here. That's behind me, my staff. Behind me, our grills on the wheel. and we equally grilling chicken. By the second, it's the chicken behind there. This chicken, I said earlier, if you taste you will come back for more. Everybody's just, So my servers are the one wearing yellow, and my small chops fryer and what we call the other person, chicken griller is there, and we are here, the all soups manager. We are here overseeing them. I've done my own bits by sauteing the chicken and sauteing the fish. So just check out this expertise for frying and mosa. Look at the skills. I do mosa very well too, but my frying is quite slow. So of course, if you know where you are slow or lacking, give it those that are the experts. You can't be jack of all trade and master of all trade. So this is my guy I roll with. He does the grilling. Baby girl, we don't want old now, because I must tell you, this facing the fire, baby girl with the old with the get wrinkles and winkles. So to avoid that, of course, let my guys do it. So this is me, also the NG. So now it's doing mosa, still on the mosa level. So just look at it, just check out the way he's putting his expertise now. Check him out now. Check out as they hot. Check out as they hot. It looks very easy to do, but trust me, guys. You have to know the technique, the technical know-how to get this thing. It looks very simple, but even the mixing too. If you don't get it, your mosa will be very soggy. I'll be doing this in my kitchen one of these days. I would just give you a closer look on how I mix my plantain and flour. I'm all about showing information here and that's our chicken there. Those are waiting to serve. These are my ones I'll be serving today. So they do for all soups. So what I actually have here is prawns mixed in my special recipe batter. This is just separately from what we normally do regular. This is equally very nice too. I'm just making very few of this. Then see this puff. I see the whole. Like I said, what is small chops? What is a party without small chops? And party be that. Usai. So this puff too, the strawberry flavored. My puff too is top notch. Trust me, guys. It's all soups, grills and chops puff. Trust me, guys. Keep coming back for more. Just check out the expertise now. The shape, the taste is divinely divine. Anyway, guys, we're on track. This is how we do it in all soups.ng. We name it to cook it. So I believe the very pleasure in this, just seeing it alone gives me so much joy. Just watching the frying and the tasting another feeling entirely on its own. So the puff as they roll. Chop one, chop two. Chop one, chop two. Nah, so one thing I realized in this my puff frying, my small chops steez is, no matter how you have plenty others, puff must always remain. That's always last. It's always last man standing. That mosa, the grilled chicken, spring rolls and samosa, fantail, is never enough. But this puff after the whole day's serving, you see how puff that I serve for, I give all my staff to take home. I still take home too equally. I don't know the reason why. Maybe because the flour it swells. So apart from you giving your customers, it goes a very long way. So now I'm frying my fantail, the one I battered. I showed you earlier in the video. So this is what we're frying. We'll fry our puff. We'll fry the fantail. We'll fry the mosa. We'll fry puff. So this is the next frying. So this is the outlook. Like what you see, it's quite nice. If you don't want to use breadcrumbs, we call use. I will tell you. That's my secret recipe. So we're ready offloading, and the next video you see now is our small chop. Voila! That's it, guys. This is how we do it. Everything done set. This is the first batch. So we're off to serve now. As they go, we are ready to hit the ground running. Done ready. Let's go. Those are my guys now serving. So we're going straight to the client's table. Open your eyes. There's 101. Open your eyes. People are close, but I thought they focus. Don't put me inside trouble. Focus. going straight to the client's table to serve. You know, in Lagos, I was very loyal to your customers. They can call you next time now. Look, we give another person going that busy. It's a very large crowd. Different people have different tables to serve their guests. So we just arrived at our guests, our client's table, serving his guests. So now, this is what we do. All soups after 9 to 5. This is what we equally know how to do best. We give you just see evidence now. See evidence. See as they crack the bone. This is just pure evidence to show you that our grills and chops now bonge to the bones. Just look at it now. Empty plates. And this is what I used to give myself a score when I give the customers my meal and they come back on empty plates. It makes me know that I'm doing something good. I'm on track. I am doing well. I rate myself 10 over 10. This is just shows in the plates. When you see that nothing is remaining, nothing missing, nothing broken, don't tabulate straight up. So that is 1-1. As a nice girl too now, I always bring this box to all my venues. After I serve and I'm about finishing, I make sure I give my customers something to take home. This has always worked for me over the years, appreciating my customers so they can always call me next time. I key them down. This is my secret power. I'm just telling you there, my people. If you want to retain your customer, there should always be a freebie. Everybody, Nigerians like a wolf go. So this is my gift box. Appreciating my customer for the patronage, and of course, definitely they will call me back for something. That's how I always key down my customers, showing them appreciation. So you should try that in your business to go a long way for you. Trust me, guys.